going on today, fam? So we're back again. We're in the C5. Still gonna get my power steering pump all good though, so I can't go too crazy. But today's gonna be a dyno day. So it's gonna be my first time a dyno in the vet. I'm assuming it'll make somewhere around 400 wheel. I just have a mail order tune at the moment, so it's never been on a dyno, nothing like that. I'm assuming it'll make around a 400 wheel horsepower with the mods that I have, but it is running pretty rich, so I'm not 100% sure. But we're gonna mob down there. It's a bunch of cars here with us. Fiesta, WRX 180, Corolla, ProCharge C7, got an SS, got a 435, got a 335i over there. So it's a good amount of cars. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road and then we'll go from there. Yeah, brother, I do. Yeah, man, you good? What's up, brother? All right, y'all, so we made it out here to Low Limit Performance. As you can see, a bunch of cars. It was a lot of stuff going on. It was a lot of craziness, but there's a lot of dope cars out here, man. A lot of dope cars, man. Shoot, got GT500. I think that's the one that'll lead you up on the dyno right there. So, whoo, man, I'm hot, bro. I'm hot. So it's a cool S3 right here. Fitment's cool and stuff. I like that. I like that. So I gotta meet up with the owner. I gotta see like how they're doing it, cause it's a, you know, it's a few different cars out here. It's like 70 euros for I think like 3 runs or whatever, which is whatever. I really don't know the going rate for dyno runs, but I know it's a bit more expensive in Europe, it seems like. But Man, look at that vet looking nasty, bro. Man, I had a ball coming here. But yeah, we're gonna figure things out. All right, y'all, so we're about to go ahead and hop on the dyno next after the C35i right there. We're gonna shoot for 400, but I don't know, man. I don't know. We're gonna see, we're gonna see. All right, so the car is being like strapped down, everything down. So then we're gonna go for a pull, and hopefully we make 400. I'm not entirely sure anymore, but we're gonna see what's up. Make it 396 at the wheels? Oh shit. All right here. Go. Hey, go get it. Yeah, that's at 400. Okay. I guess I'm close where I should be.
396 at the wheels. Yeah. It's hot though. I was supposed to leave 2 months ago.
All right, y'all. So here is the dyno sheet. If you look, max right here. God dang. It's a lot of, hold on. Let me go in the shade for y'all, man. All right, y'all, so here's the dyno sheet right here. You can see pretty clean. The max number was 396 horsepower for torque, and then the max torque, for max horsepower, and then the max torque was 538 Newton meters, and that transfers to about 397 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm happy, you know, the car ran well. The car sounded amazing on the dyno, which was really dope. So, I mean, it was a successful day for me, regardless of like whatever else happens next, you know, and the car just sounded dope. You know, I love the way my setup sounds, but yeah, so good day. I made what I thought I was gonna make, which was pretty much 400 wheel and 400 foot-pounds of torque, which is really dope. And shout out to No Limit. So yeah, we out.